Welcome to our channel where we explore the exciting world of transforming investments into passive income. In today's video, we will delve into the concept of passive income and its crucial role in achieving financial freedom. Passive income is the money you earn regularly with little to no effort required to maintain it. Unlike active income, which involves trading time for money, passive income allows you to generate revenue even while you sleep. This concept is a game changer when it comes to building wealth and securing your financial future. Imagine having multiple streams of passive income flowing into your bank account, providing you with the financial stability and freedom to pursue your dreams and live life on your own terms. By learning how to generate passive income, you can break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a life of abundance and prosperity. In this video, we will not only educate you on the various ways to generate passive income, but also inspire and motivate you to take action towards achieving your financial goals. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, save for retirement, or achieve financial independence, understanding how to create passive income streams is key. Stay tuned to discover the benefits of passive income and how it can transform your financial future. Let's embark on this journey together towards a life of financial freedom and abundance. Passive income is the money you earn regularly with minimal effort required to maintain it. It is the key to building long-term wealth and financial freedom. Unlike active income, which involves trading time for money through a job or service, passive income allows you to earn money continuously, even when you're not actively working. Creating passive income streams is crucial for achieving financial stability and freedom. It provides you with a reliable source of income that can supplement or even replace your active income. By diversifying your income sources and generating passive income, you can build a solid financial foundation that can withstand economic downturns and unexpected expenses. There are various examples of passive income streams that you can explore to generate additional revenue. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or Airbnb rentals, can provide a steady stream of passive income through rental payments. Dividend-paying stocks and bonds can also generate passive income through regular dividend payments and interest earnings. Online businesses, such as e-commerce stores or affiliate marketing websites, can generate passive income through automated sales and commissions. Understanding the basics of passive income and exploring different passive income streams can help you create a sustainable source of income that can grow over time. By incorporating passive income into your financial strategy, you can work towards building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. When it comes to generating passive income, exploring various investment options, such as dividend-paying stocks, real estate, and bonds, can provide you with a diverse range of opportunities to grow your wealth. Dividend-paying stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can potentially earn a consistent income stream on top of any capital appreciation. These stocks are favored by income investors for their ability to provide regular cash flow, making them a reliable source of passive income. Real estate investments, particularly rental properties, offer another avenue for generating passive income. By purchasing rental properties and leasing them out to tenants, you can earn rental income on a regular basis. Real estate investments have the potential to appreciate in value over time, providing you with both rental income and capital appreciation. Additionally, real estate investments can offer tax benefits and serve as a hedge against inflation, making them a popular choice for passive income seekers. Bonds are another essential component of a diversified investment portfolio for generating passive income. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations, and they pay interest to bondholders at regular intervals. By investing in bonds, you can earn a predictable stream of income while preserving your capital. Bonds are considered a lower-risk investment compared to stocks, making them a valuable asset for generating passive income and maintaining stability in your investment portfolio. By exploring investment strategies such as dividend-paying stocks, real estate, and bonds, you can create a well-rounded investment portfolio that generates passive income and helps you achieve your financial goals. Understanding the importance of reinvesting returns to accelerate wealth growth through compounding is essential for maximizing your passive income potential. Compounding is the process of earning returns on your initial investment, as well as on the returns generated from that investment over time. By reinvesting your earnings, you can harness the power of compounding to exponentially grow your wealth. When you reinvest dividends, rental income, or bond yields back into your investments, you are effectively increasing the amount of capital that is generating returns. This can lead to a snowball effect, where your earnings continue to grow at an accelerated rate. Reinvesting your returns allows you to take advantage of the power of compounding and achieve long-term financial success. There are various strategies for reinvesting returns to maximize passive income. For dividend-paying stocks, you can enroll in dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, offered by companies which automatically reinvest your dividends to purchase additional shares. In real estate, you can use rental income to pay down mortgages, or fund property improvements to increase rental yields. With bonds, you can reinvest interest payments to purchase more bonds, or invest in other income-generating assets. To illustrate the power of compounding, consider this example. If you invest $10,000 in a dividend-paying stock with an average annual return of 8% and reinvest all dividends earned, your investment could grow to over $600 in 20 years. This showcases how reinvesting returns can significantly boost your wealth accumulation over time through the magic of compounding. By reinvesting returns for compound earnings, you can supercharge your passive income and work towards achieving your financial goals faster. Constructing a diversified investment portfolio is crucial for minimizing risk and optimizing your passive income potential. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your overall portfolio. By diversifying, you can enhance your chances of achieving consistent returns and safeguarding your wealth against unforeseen events. When building a diversified portfolio, it's essential to consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Asset allocation plays a key role in determining the mix of investments in your portfolio. By allocating your assets across various categories such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, you can create a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. For example, if you have a higher risk tolerance, you may allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to equities for potential higher returns. On the other hand, if you have a lower risk tolerance, you may lean towards more conservative investments like bonds or real estate. To maintain diversification and optimize your passive income potential, it's important to periodically rebalance your portfolio. Rebalancing involves adjusting your asset allocation to ensure that it remains in line with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. By periodically reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio, you can realign your investments to reflect changes in market conditions and maintain a diversified approach to wealth building. By following these actionable tips on constructing a diversified investment portfolio, you can effectively manage risk, maximize passive income potential, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. As we wrap up this video on transforming investments into passive income, let's recap the key points discussed and empower you to take action towards securing your financial future through smart investments. Throughout this video, we explored various strategies for generating passive income, including dividend-paying stocks, real estate investments, and bonds. By diversifying your investment portfolio and harnessing the power of compounding, you can create multiple streams of passive income that can lead to long-term wealth growth and financial independence. Long-term investing and compounding play a vital role in achieving financial success. By reinvesting your returns and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can maximize your passive income potential and build a solid financial foundation for the future. Remember, consistency and patience are key when it comes to investing for the long haul. We encourage you to take action today towards securing your financial future. Start by implementing the strategies discussed in this video and exploring opportunities to generate passive income through smart investments. By making informed decisions and staying committed to your financial goals, you can pave the way towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who can benefit from valuable financial tips. Together, let's empower ourselves to take control of our finances and work towards a life of financial freedom and abundance. Thank you for watching.